Hello, today on Panchmat Udghosh, we are going to have an exclusive conversation with an emerging youth leader, or rather a leader in the making, Vijay Bansla, a brilliant young man, highly educated, who cherishes futuristic vision for the good of all. Vijay Bansla has worked abroad and lived amid intense firing in Afghanistan. He has global work experience, being the son of noted Gurjar leader Colonel Kroli Singh Bansla. Vijay has inherited discipline from his army officer father. In our conversations with Vijay Bansla, he laid out his plans for the upliftment of the rural youth. Through his NGO, Suyog, he is working for gender equality, public health, and above all, helping the youth discover their talent, whether in education or sports. Vijay Bansla doesn't hide his plans of entering into active politics. He states that being in politics and enthroning himself in a power position, he can be more useful to the people. He expresses astonishment over the apathy of the local leaders towards public concerns. On the coming 3rd of October, Vijay Bansla is going to organize a career counseling seminar in Karoli in Marriage Garden, in which top career counselors will guide the educated youths of all communities. Now enjoy the excerpts of our intimate conversation with Vijay Bansla about his future plans and the plans for the youth of the area. So, if you start your political career from your own field, that may be Karoli or any other place, so your focus will be on gender equality, education. I hope so.
See, the number one focus
Ji.
for any progressive community
Yes,
is exposure.
yes,
If you do not get exposure, how will you get educated? You can be knowledgeable, but you would not have wisdom.
yes,
Exposure gives you wisdom. So I want to expose everybody to everything. I want to give them a brilliant education.
yes,
I want to get education from outside into the place. I want the place not only to be educated in terms of semantic education, but also in terms of sports.
yes.
You look at Sundar Puja, my relative,
Yeah.
right? He has done something for himself.
Yes.
Why can't other people do? Why? Because you do not get exposure. I am very thankful to the collector, Sihag.
Yes.
Mr. Sihag, look at the brilliant sports complex they have made in Karol.
Yes.
People should be thronging there. Why people don't go there?
Yeah, yeah.
Why don't you see that from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock people should stand in line waiting for their turn? Why? Because people don't go there.
Yeah.
People don't know. So my point is that people should be progressive, people should be forward looking, and they should not be biased whether it is a girl or a boy. All of them are children. If you lose a girl or a boy, the loss is 100% for the family, the parents.
The talent is brimming in the rural areas as well, but that talent remains hidden. So, do you have any plan to harness that talent?
Yes, I will do that. I have got a full strategy to get these people from the rural hinterland into the urban structure of exposure. What happens is, people who are in the rural belt, they want to come out, but they are always bogged down by the extreme fear and insecurity of the urban landscape.
Yes, yes.
So my point is, I just want to be a conduit between the rural to the urban. I can get them there. They have to fight their own battle. I am not going to fight their battle.
Yeah, you will make them capable of doing
I will
so.
make them capable.
Yeah.
Whatever best possible I can do, I will do. Rest is up to God and destiny.
Good wishes are with you. Thank you so much for giving us time.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you so very much.